have your data stuck in wrong direction? Maybe your variables are in rows when they should be in columns. In Minitab, fixing this takes seconds using the transpose tool. So for the first step, you go to data and select transpose columns. In this dialog box, you select the data that you want to transpose. In this case, it's C2, C3, C4 where the data for the client lies. When you want to create variable names using column, you select C1, which is exercise in this case, and press on OK. Minitab creates a brand new worksheet with your data flipped. What used to be horizontal is now vertical, making it perfectly formatted for your t-tests, ANOVA, or control charts. And that's how you transpose data without the manual copy-paste headache. To know more about such tricks, let's connect.